बहुत खरीदा।
माइक में नहीं चलता है, माइक चलता। Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Alina Aman
And I am Rumesa Fatima.
We are representing a small model of geostationary satellite. Nowadays, world is all about technology and development. Nobody wants to be underdeveloped in this modern society. Technology has provided us with the communication system. In today's modern era, communication has become the basic necessity. Without it, our survival is next to impossible. Everyone is also familiar with TV, computer and internet. So the question arises that how can we communicate with any person living far away from us? How can we watch television dramas and news on television which have been recorded in studios? How can we use internet? The answer is satellite. Yes, because of satellite we can communicate, we can use internet and we can also see television dramas.
Today, we use geostationary satellite as the fastest communication system. In the whole world, very few countries are there who has the ability to launch satellite, and we are proud to say that India is also one of them. India holds the record of launching 104 satellites at a time, and it was done on 15th February 2017 from Sriharikota. These satellites were launched under leadership of ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization.
So, we are representing a small model of geostationary satellite. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of satellite. Will you tell us please?
Satellite is an object which revolves in an orbit around the planet is known as satellite.
But what is geostationary satellite? An artificial satellite revolving in a circular orbit around the Earth in the equatorial plane and in the same sense of the rotation of Earth, and that is from west to east and holding the same period of revolution as the period of rotation of Earth is known as geostationary satellite. The relative velocity of this satellite with respect to the Earth is 0 and the period of communication is 24 hours because the Earth also takes 24 hours to rotate on its own axis.
Geostationary satellite is commonly known as the communication satellite. The height of the communication satellite from the Earth's surface is about 3,600 kilometers. The first Indian communication satellite is Apple, which is launched in June 1981.
It's a satellite, so it has some conditions to work. That are, it should revolve around the equatorial plane of the Earth only. Its direction of revolution should be same as the direction of rotation of Earth, that is from west to east. And its period of revolution should be exactly same as the period of rotation of Earth, that is 24 hours. Otherwise, it will not work. Will you please tell us the advantages or the uses of this geostationary satellite?
Yes, there are many uses of geostationary satellite. It is used for broadcasting telecommunication, for military purpose, for astronomical observation, for geoposition system, that is GPS, and for the weather forecasting and meteorological purposes to transmit the cyclone warnings to the coastal villages.
Thank you very much for watching our project.